Let's look at how to create a new contract. We click on Sales, Pricing, and Contract. Contracts are used to define the contracts of registered companies. We can see all the defined contracts in the list screen. A new reservation can be created without a contract definition. Once the contract is defined, the reservation price is going to be calculated automatically and prevents incorrect pricing in the reservation process. Click on Add, then New Contract screen will open. The predefined company whose contract will be defined is going to be selected in this field. Start and end dates are the accommodation dates which the price will be applied. Currency type is going to be automatically selected according to the currency type definition in the company card. Season name is not a mandatory field. We can type a short description here, such as high season, low season, summer season, etc. Minimum days field indicates at least how many days prior to the arrival date for the implementation of the contract. For example, if minimum days is 3, the sales date of the reservation must be at least 3 days ahead of the arrival date of the guest. Minimum stay field indicates the minimum number of overnight stays for the implementation of the contract. In the cancel day field, we can specify how many days in advance reservations made in accordance with the contract can be cancelled. In the prepayment day field, if the company is working with a prepayment, the number of days before the payment must be written here. If there is any detail about the contract, it can be written here. Under the Options tab, if the defined price will be used for a predefined rate code, it must be selected in this field. If a special price agreement is to be entered instead of rate code definitions, this field should be left blank. Market field is going to be automatically selected according to the related company. If the market is going to be different from the company's default market selection, we can select it from here. We can see the child age limits which are predefined in the company card. Regardless of the date of stay, the sales date of the reservation can also be used as a regulation for pricing. The validity of the contract according to the sales date can be specified here. For example, even if the accommodation dates are at June to August at the contract tab, because of we selected January to February at the booking date range, this contract will be applied for the company's reservations, which the accommodation dates are June to August, but the sales date of the reservation is in the range between January to February. We can select amount or percentage for pricing of single supplement or additional bed. If the meal is included in the price in the contract, board included option must be selected. If the selection is not marked, you can specify board prices separately in the price definitions. If the price definitions will be entered according to the room price, this checkbox must be selected. When this checkbox is not selected, it means that the price will be defined as per person price. If there are other contracts that correspond to the accommodation date range of the reservation, the break option must be selected for the implementation of this contract anyway. The no discount option ensures that if there is any promotion defined for the company of the contract, this discount is not going to be applied. Priority price option ensures that this contract shall be applied primarily if there are different contracts defined with the same dates with the new contract definition for the same company. You can watch our contract pricing video for contract price definitions.